Do you have Bonnie's toy? Give it to Bonnie. Give it to Bonnie. Yay! Good boy. Good boy. Give it back to Bonnie. Throw it. Throw it for her. Ian, throw it. Throw it. There you go. Good boy. Yay! Go get it from her. What's wrong? You gonna get it? Are you gonna get it? Throw it. Well, you threw it right into our lap. There it is. Throw it. Throw it. Throw it hard. No, no, Ian, no, no. We do not put that in our mouth. No, no. You getting it? Throw it for Boop. No, Ian, no. No, no. Do not put that in your mouth. That's yucky. That's yucky. Throw it. No. No, no. That's icky. This is his favorite game to play. Try to chew on Bonnie's toys. No, 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 no. Yucky, yucky. Yuck, yuck, yuck. He's unstoppable. Yeah, I know you. No. No. No, no. Give it to Bonnie. You don't like the word no, do you? Don't put it in your mouth. Do not put it in your mouth. Give it to Bonnie. Give it to Bonnie. Where's Bonnie? Give it to her. Throw it. Throw it to Bonnie. Throw it to Bonnie. Ian, throw it to Bonnie. Give it to Bonnie. Thank you. You throw it to Mommy. That's good too. Okay. You say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.